Hey you guys, I'm now going to be doing a little unboxing of the stuff that I got while I was away in California. Some stuff is what I ordered that I wanted to bring on my trip, but obviously it didn't come in time. Some stuff is from Amazon, and this one box right here is PR. So the stuff that I did get, I honestly forget what's inside. So let's open it up and see what it is. Starting off with this first package from Amazon. It's super vacuum sealed, so let's open her up. This is an 8-pack of headbands for washing your face or for doing makeup and just getting ready. So I got it in this neutral pastel type of colored pack. So I will be loaded for a while. Next up from Amazon is, I have this in pink, but I got it in this silver color. It's just a handheld mirror for doing your makeup or getting ready, and I absolutely love it. I use it every time I get ready, and I use it for my mascara because I like to have a mirror really close to my eye. So this is super cute and also perfect for traveling as well. Next up, this is from Amazon as well, and I can obviously see what it is, and I'm so excited about it. It's this super cute green Christmas pajama set. It has reindeer on it, and it's like a really pretty green. I love this.
It's like a perfect green.
I know, I'm so excited to wear this. And all of this is linked on my storefront in case you guys are interested in getting it. And it has a matching pant, obviously. I want to wash this and literally wear it tonight. This is so freaking cute and the comfiest cotton material ever. Next up is this box, which is PR from Crown Affair. I am so obsessed with this hair company. So here is the little box, and inside, oh my goodness, can you guys see? This is so cute. It literally smells so amazing. I have been using their hair oil for the past few weeks and I have absolutely been loving it. So they reached out to me and just sent me their shampoo, conditioner, this hair mask, and a comb that looks like so. Thank you guys so much. I can't wait to use this, and I'm already obsessed. The packaging is so pretty as well. The last two packages are from Pretty Little Thing. These are orders that I had placed in hopes of bringing them on my trip, but of course they didn't come in time, so I'll have to wear it here in New York, which is fine because it's still super cold and I can get away with wearing all of this in New York. But again, I forget what I got, so this is kind of like a first impressions. Oh my god, this is so cute. This black faux leather Sherpa jacket. I am so obsessed with this. I'm gonna put it on. This is so freaking cute. It's lined with Sherpa, as you can see, and I will definitely be styling this a million different ways. I'm pretty sure everything I got is a jacket or coat. So next up is this, which is a trench. Oh, I'm obsessed already.
Oh my god, you look like Inspector Gadget.
This is so cute. And with a pair of jeans. It's super long. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm sitting, obviously. This is really cute, and I love the color as well. It's a canvas type of material, which is super different, but I love it. And in the last Pretty Little Thing package are some more jackets. This one I am so obsessed with. I feel like I will be living in this. It is so soft and super fluffy and cozy and comfy, and it just looks like so. This is so freaking cute and the most comfortable thing ever. I don't want to take it off. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's a little longer and super comfy cozy. You can definitely dress this up as well, but I feel like I'm just going to be lounging around in it and throwing it on as a jacket when I'm running out of the house or running errands and stuff like that. And lastly is another black faux leather with white Sherpa, but this one is a little different. As you can see, it has white Sherpa lining throughout. This is so freaking cute. I'm loving this style. I love the Sherpa with the contrast of the different material. They're all so comfortable and they really will just dress up any outfit, even if you're wearing something so simple like this turtleneck bodysuit. I'm literally putting this one back on because of how comfy it is. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this little haul of the things that came in the mail while I was away. I'm just gonna go hang out, watch some TV, eat some food, and start editing this vlog. Hey you guys, it is a little bit later and I'm now getting ready for bed. I washed and dried this pajama set from Amazon that I just got, and I'm wearing it to bed. It is so freaking comfy and cozy, and I'm loving it. I've filmed and shown my skincare routine a few times during this Vlogmas season, but I don't know how many of you guys are new here, or maybe this is your first time coming across my channel. So I figured I'll share my routine again because why not? Starting off with my Aloe Tiva Power Elixir drops. I go in with a generous amount throughout my face. This stuff is just so hydrating and really makes my skin so nice and moisturized throughout the night. Next, going in with my Holy Grail CeraVe PM Moisturizing Lotion. This has been my favorite stuff for years, and I simply cannot go a day without it. So I just lather this right over top. And I forgot to mention that I use the La Roche-Posay cleanser 2 times a day, and this has been my absolute favorite stuff for the past few years. It stays in my shower because that's where I wash my face, but for those of you guys who are interested in knowing every single product I use, this is how I start my skincare every single day. And then of course my all-time favorite, Aquaphor, but in the stick version. It is so incredibly convenient to have it in this balm stick version. I found this on Amazon, and that's the only place I've ever been able to find this, and it's literally one of my most favorite finds ever. And I think I'm gonna buy another one because if I lose this, I don't know what I'll do, and I need to have a backup. So that just reminded me I'm gonna go buy one after I'm done filming this. And just like that, my skincare is all complete. I feel so nice and hydrated and moisturized and ready for bed. I am so exhausted. It's only 11 o'clock, but I was up super late last night, and I do want to get to bed to try to get myself on a better sleep schedule since I did just get home from California and I am slightly jet lagged. But I will see you guys in the morning for Vlogmas day 18. I love you so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Mwah.